What's up, everyone? You're welcome on our weekly podcast show, Lifeaholic, A Better Change, with your favorite host, me, Sagardeep Chaudhary, and my dear friend, my co-host, Kaushik Das.
Knowing your weaknesses is as important as knowing your strengths. And in case you know both of them, which one will you go for? Your weaknesses or your strength?
I definitely will always bet on my strengths because the whole world is there to figure out your weaknesses and make you know that you have some weaknesses within you. But you should at least in the first place have to know that what your strengths are. So can I ask you a question? How can a person figure out his strengths and weaknesses in the first place?
Here by strengths and weaknesses, we don't mean the academic performances or anything else. We mean the values, the behaviors, or the talents you possess to live a good life, to live a healthy life, to socialize with people. We mean this type of strengths and weaknesses. And if you are not comfortable with people, if you are not comfortable with talking to people, if you are not comfortable with socializing with people, you will know it. You obviously will know it. This type of stuff, this shouldn't be informed to you by.
But I think being introvert is not a weakness for everyone.
Yeah, introvert and extrovert, this is a totally different topic, and introverts can talk. No one, I myself was an introvert for a certain amount of time.
Yeah, and did you view your the introvert portion of your life? Did you view that as your weakness or your strength?
No, it was not weakness. Introvert is something else. Introverts are people who like to be being alone.
Yeah,
They enjoy their alone time. This is not a weakness. If you are not enjoying your alone time, if you want to talk to people but you are not sure how to talk to people. For example, I'm giving you a situation you can better relate to it. For example, you want to talk to your crush,
yeah,
but you can't do it.
We all have been through that stage. We wanted to talk to someone so badly, but we have been holding on to ourselves. This is a weakness, and you have to deal with it by facing the fear, the whatever you have inside of yourself.
Yeah, so this is your weakness. You can't talk to your crush. This is your weakness.
But this thing should not always hold you back. I will say weaknesses are not that bad. You should work on your weaknesses, but don't work on any type of weaknesses. Like if you want to become a cricketer, like you have dreamt of becoming a cricketer and you have admired Sachin Tendulkar playing in the field and you want to become like him, then focus on your cricketing skills. Develop all the weaknesses that you have in the cricketing field and work on them. Don't work on any other weaknesses. Like if someone is saying that you are not dressing well, you can try to dress well. You can figure out that weakness also. And if someone is saying like you can't swim properly, you can also work on that. But your main focus should be on developing the weaknesses in your strength zone.
Yeah, that's not the important part. This other stuffs.
Yeah.
So your main focus should be what you love, what you think you have the strength of.
Yeah, I believe what our strengths are, the things we love and the things we are passionate about. If the things we have been doing from the time we are a little child, those things I guess if someone asks me how can we find our strengths, I will say look at all your accomplishments or look at all the things that you love from your childhood, write them down and then see what you love the most and you have been working hard to gain that thing. You will eventually find your strengths in that area.
Yeah, explore more and more, and this will help you to gain confidence about your own strengths. And most of the time what people do is they think about their weaknesses so much, they overthink it, and as a result their confidence gets down, their performance in their life goes down, and as a result their strengths, these also deteriorates day by day.
Now, why do you think people are always so concerned about their weaknesses? I mean, this has been going for a long time. People are spending more time on figuring out their weaknesses and working on them, not on their strengths. Why?
Because to this outside world, your weaknesses are much more visible your strengths. This
Like people are realizing
Yeah,
us
yeah.
that we are weak in a certain field. They are
Yeah.
making fun of
Your
us.
environment will constantly remind you of your weakness, not your strengths. And you can find this rule everywhere. When you do a good work, this work is not remembered for a long time, and when you make a simple mistake, this will be remembered
Yeah,
for a
that
long
is-
time. So this constant reminder from the environment, this what to say, this forces us to think about our weaknesses, and as a result we face this.
And that is why I guess most people choose the mediocre life and not go for the best life they will achieve.
And one more thing, even if you have the confidence over your strength and you want to do something odd, something not odd, I mean something which is not which not all regular people do, you will be constantly facing this type of comments like, yeah, this I don't know about this.
Yeah,
I
we
don't-
always have
Yeah.
heard about that thing that you are a unique of your kind,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
you are a unique person. But how can you be the most unique? Everyone has certain strengths. Believe me, we both of us and everyone in this world has their strengths, and they have so many weaknesses in them. No one is perfect. You have to understand that and start working on your strengths, because if you work on your weaknesses, the most you can get to is you can go to a mediocre level. Like if you have never played tennis, now I will give you an example. You started playing tennis for 2 years, you will get to a mediocre range, but you can be in the Wimbledon. For that you have to struggle from your heart and from the time you are born.
And don't get us wrong, we don't mean don't work on your weakness. Work on it, but don't overthink.
Yeah.
And don't put so much effort in it. If you can't do it, that's okay. Everyone has different strengths, different weakness. You have your strengths for you. Leave those weaknesses behind. Work on it time to time. Just don't put efforts. That's okay.
Yeah, I follow the 70-30 rule. Like I spend 70% of my time on building my strengths and 30% on the things which I think I can improve on my weakness zone. Like I have so many weaknesses in my areas also, but I will say spend more of your time in building your strength, in building the empire based on your strength, and you will become unique. In the future you will get to a stage only by putting time and perseverance and patience in your strengths, by betting all in your strengths. You have to go all within in your strengths, and by that you will become the best of your field, I can say. Like if someone, I once read a quote by Einstein which says you can't judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, and that describes it perfectly.
Yeah. So instead focus on your strengths. Don't focus too much on your weakness. Yeah, you have to improve your weaknesses. That's it. That should be the thing. Nothing much more than that. And this is the rule that.
And stop listening to outside voices.
Yeah. Until the day we die, we constantly learn from this world. We constantly gain knowledge from this world. So it's okay, na? So you take time, that particular thing which you are weak, in which you are weak, take time to improve it. It may be 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Don't care. You shouldn't care about the world.
And only if you yourself feel like you need to work on a certain weakness of yours, then give your time, give your energy to figure out that weakness and become strength, develop certain strength in that zone. But I will say, don't get intimidated by the whole world, by the external voice. Don't just work on any weakness of yours just because the whole world is saying that you are weak in that field. And there have been many studies all over the world over many years which shows that when we focus our time and energy on developing certain strength of ours, when we figure out our strengths and focus on that, we grow faster, we grow stronger than when we try to improve our weaknesses.